self-talk activity and survival method. Both formulas are very necessary to know in order to learn English language. Yes friends, if you are a beginner and you want to start your English journey, you want to speak English language, you want to learn English language, so you must know these two formulas. Hello friends, my name is Janu Mathur and I welcome you to my channel Anushree English channel. Friends, as I mentioned earlier that I am going to describe in today's video about two formulas, and both formulas are very useful, very formative. If you want to start your English language, you are a beginner and you don't know how to speak English language, how to learn English language, so this video is going to help you a lot. Friends, you know what? These two formulas are very wonderful because I have experienced, and in the beginning of my journey I started using these formulas and it worked wonder for me. So I'm 100% sure that if you are a beginner and you are also very willing to speak English language, so these two formulas are going to help you a lot. And I think that there is no need of any kind of explanation like how important it is, okay? Because the time you start using these formulas, you will see changes yourself. So let's talk about how you can use these two formulas in order to learn English language. Friend, the first one is that self-talk activity. Since morning to evening, you do different kinds of work, you do different kinds of activity, okay? So you have to narrate yourself, okay? You have to describe to yourself. You have to narrate yourself, you have to describe yourself, what things did you do since morning to evening, or what do you generally do since morning to evening. So you have to narrate yourself, okay? And while speaking, you have to not speak like slowly, you have to speak like loudly. Don't worry like what would happen if somebody else listen you, okay? So don't worry, because you want to speak in English, okay? You want to learn English, so you have to put yourself in the uncomfort zone. You know very well that no pain, no gain. So it is very compulsory that you have to put yourself in the uncomfort zone. You have to speak to yourself about your activity, okay? What things you do since morning to evening in the present, okay? Not only in the present, even in the past, in the future, you have to narrate yourself, you have to describe to yourself, you have to speak to yourself. And this kind of activity you have to do for 21 days. And it is rightly said that the activity which you do continuously for 21 days, it becomes a habit of yours. So start doing this activity, okay friends? And friends, I know very well that you know how to use the sentence in present indefinite, in the past indefinite, and in the future, okay? I know very well that you know English, okay? You have the knowledge of English. You have the only one problem, that is speaking. You know very well so many structures of English, but you don't know how to use those structures in your language, in your conversation. So friends, what I told you, that what things did you do since morning to evening, you have to narrate yourself, you have to speak to yourself, you have to talk to yourself, and accept this challenge that whatever may happen, you will not miss even a single day, okay? You will be speak regularly. Don't worry about mistake, because mistake is a part of our learning process. Anything which you learn in any skill which you learn, in the beginning, in initial stage, you commit mistake, you make mistake. I started cooking, so in the beginning I committed so many mistakes, I made so many mistakes. I learned cycling, so in initial stage I made so many mistakes. So any skill could be any skill which you learn in the beginning, you will commit mistake, you will make mistake. So communication is also a skill. You are learning English communication skill, okay? So don't worry about mistake, because with the passage of time, you will improve your mistake. Mistake proves that you people are trying. Unless you try, you will not make mistake. Okay? If you start doing something, so you will definitely make mistake. And by doing the things again and again, you get experience, and experience gives you confidence. So that's how you generate confidence, you build up confidence, right? So friends, this is all about like self-talk activity.